Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to solve Facebook Messenger sending problems in the US in 2026. So if your messages are stuck, not sending, or showing errors, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Weak Wi-Fi or mobile data issues are one of the most common reasons Messenger fails to send messages. Next, close the Messenger app completely and reopen it. So sometimes the app just glitches, and restarting it fixes sending issues instantly. Make sure your app is updated. Outdated versions of Messenger can cause sending delays or message failures. If you're on Android, clear the app cache. And if you're on iPhone, try reinstalling the app to remove corrupted data causing sending issues. Sometimes the issue is your account itself. So yeah, check if your Facebook account is restricted or temporarily limited, which can block messaging features. VPNs or proxy connections can also interfere with message delivery. Try turning them off and sending messages again. If nothing works, try using Messenger on a browser. So open Messenger on desktop and see if messages send normally there. And that's how to solve Facebook Messenger sending problems in the US in 2026. Once you check your internet, update the app, and fix account or network issues, messages usually start working again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more troubleshooting tutorials.